Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you one of the coolest destinations in Tokyo, Diver City, Tokyo. Diver City, Tokyo is a popular shopping and entertainment complex located in Odaiba, a man-made island in Tokyo Bay. Doraemon Times Square is not a permanent official location in Tokyo, like a theme park or a fixed attraction. Instead, the term typically refers to special large-scale Doraemon-themed exhibitions or events that are sometimes held in major public spaces or shopping centers. Diver City is famous not just for its wide range of shops and restaurants, but also for its unique attractions that you won't find anywhere else. The mall offers a variety of Japanese and international brands, perfect for fashion lovers, gadget enthusiasts, and souvenir hunters. You will find game centers, VR experiences, and other fun activities for all ages. Don't miss the Gundam Base Tokyo, where you can see all kinds of Gundam models and collectibles. Gundam Base Tokyo is the ultimate destination for fans of Gundam, the iconic Japanese mecha franchise. It's a large official Gundam themed complex located in the Diver City Tokyo Plaza shopping mall in Odaiba, Tokyo. It opened in 2017. It's a must-visit for model kit enthusiasts, anime fans, and anyone curious about Japanese pop culture. Diver City often hosts special events, pop-up shops, and exhibits, so there's always something new and exciting to check out. There are hundreds of Gunpla Gundam plastic model kits on display, from classic to the latest releases. There is also a builder zone where the workshop area is located, where you can build Gunpla on site. Tools and workspaces are provided for free, and staff can offer tips. Sometimes special classes or events are held for beginners and kids. There is an exhibit zone where dioramas and displays of expertly built and painted gunpla are located. There are also some special events, such as new product launches, artist signings, or gunpla competitions. One of the main highlights is the life-size Gundam statue standing right outside the mall. If you're an anime fan, this is a must-see. There's even a light and sound show in the evenings. The statue transforms between Unicorn and Destroy mode several times daily, with light and sound shows in the evening. There are also plenty of dining options from Japanese cuisine to international fast food. We went to Jonathan's Coffee and Restaurant and we were served by a robot. That's a wrap on today's vlog, everyone. I hope you enjoyed exploring about my trip to Diver City and the Gundam Base factory. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming adventures. Thank you so much for watching!